or values. So literal often referred to as a constant value are the data items have a fixed value. Literal also known as constants or values. Python allows several kinds of literals. First one, string literal, numerical literals, boolean literals, special literals like non-literal collection. So what is string literals? One can form string literal by enclosing text in both the form of quotes, single quotes or double quotes. Yesterday I already teach you how to create a variable and value. A is equal to 10. So here A is a variable and 10 is a value. Then in another word A is an identifier, then 10 is a literal. So here I'm going to teach you what is string literals. That is what is string value. So if you want to represent a string, that is a word or a letter or a sentence or more than sentence, we can use string literals. String literals you can represent in two ways. Using single quotes, then in between single quotes you can write your name like Deepak. So this is my string literal. This string literal is saved in a variable A. So this is the one way to create a string literal. So another way to create a string literal means you can use double quotes, then in between you can write a string. Okay, not only a word, you can write Deepak, then any other Matthew and something more. Okay, so this is called a string literal. Then it is also possible single quotes and double quotes are possible to create a string literal. So following are some valid string literals. So here first Asta using single quotes, then Rizwan using double quotes, then hello world is also string, Amis, then this is also string, then numbers also string, then special character also represented as a string, the number and special character also represented as a string. You can type anything as a string. There is no rule. So one rule is it should be in between double quotes or single quotes. That's enough. Then Python allow you to have certain non-graphic characters, that is character that cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. Example, backspace, tabs, carriage return, etc. In string value, these non-graphic characters can be represented by using escape sequence. So in this situation, it is saying that there is some if you need to print a non-graphic characters, so you must use escape sequence for displaying non-graphic character. Example, if I need to display a slash, then in Python program print is used to display. So what is the value of a backslash? So in between double quotes, right? In between a single quotes, then okay, now this is a string. So the string value is backslash. So I need to print this a. So I'm going to run this program, save this program, then I'm going to run this program. Did you see that? Nothing. Output is nothing. Okay. So here, okay, one error is here. This index end of line while scanning string literal. So it is not possible to display this kind of special character. So if you want to display this special character, that backward slash, you need to use one more slash. So this first slash, it is called escape character. Then next you need to display this backslash. That is, the first slash is a escape. It is called escape character. Okay, escape sequence character or escape character. Then this one, it is you need this one you need to display, right? Then I'm going to save this. Then I'm going to run this program. Then you will get the idea. Now you will get this backslash. Okay, backslash. Then next, it is a familiar thing. If you want to display a double quotes, in Python, then how is possible? Then double quotes, it is what? Double quotes, it is a string. You can represent it as a string. So in between double quotes, I'm going to write a double quotes. So if I'm going to write this, because I need to display these double quotes, okay, as a string. So it is possible. Okay, we can run. So suddenly it will show error. So what is that? End of file while scanning triple quoted string literal. If you want to display this in double quotes, you can use one escape character. Then you will get a double quotes. I think it's visible to you, this double quotes. So this is the use of escape character. Then if you want to display a non-graphic characters, you can use escape characters. So in your textbook, it is clearly saying that a lot of non-graphic. So in your textbook, a lot of non-graphic characters are tabulated clearly. So first non-graphic character is backslash. How to display a backslash? First write a escape sequence character, that is backslash. Then you need to write this backslash. Then how to display a single quotes? First write a backslash, that is escape character. Then single quotes. How to display double quotes? First escape character, then double quotes. Then these are the ASCII bell, ASCII backspace, ASCII form feed. Then new line character. Have to display new line character in Python. First escape character, then n. Then this is the way to represent non-graphic character in a Python. Then how to display tab space? In Python. So if you want to display space in Python, tab space in Python, you can use print in double quotes backward slash t. So it will print a tab space. So how to, okay, it's by tab space. Then if I going to save this program, if I going to run this program, you will not understand this one, because space is there, it is not visible. So this is the way. Then I think it is first in between here I'm writing a, this is a string a b c. Then I just appending one tab space here. Then again I just write E F G. Then you will understand that in between one tab space will come. You see that this is the tab space. Okay, this is the tab space. So if you want to display a tab space in Python, you can use T. Then how the escape sequence is followed by the T. That is the only way. If you want to display a new line, you can use N. So escape sequence, escape character, then N. So again save. Then both will display in second line. Okay, both first will display in first line. Then first is displaying this one. Then second line it will go to second line. Then second line it will display another one. That word, this word A, B, C, E, F, G. So this is called a non-graphic characters. How to represent non-graphic character in Python. I think you understand this concept. Then Python allows you to have two string type, single line string, multi-line string. So it is possible to create a single line string as well as multi-line string. So how to create a single line string? Single line string means the string that terminate in a single line. Okay, in a single line, multiple line it is not possible. Single line, the string that terminate in a single line. So what do you mean by string? String means it's the combination of letters, alphabets, special characters, special symbols, etc. Okay, these are the string. We can say that it is a string. Okay, then I am a single line string. So this is a single line string. Hello world is another string. So if you don't understand, I will explain with an example. So I'm going to create a variable for saving a single line string that is called A. A is equal to my single line string is hello. I am going to learn Python. So this is the single line learn. Okay, this is the single line string. So single line string you can use double quotes as well as single quotes. Then if I'm going to save this program, then next I'm print. How to print this A using, you can directly use print A method. Then save. Then this one, hello, I am going to learn Python. Then if I need to display multi-line string, so using double quotes it is not possible. Using double quotes it is not possible. How many lines are here? Hi, hello, I am going to, first line, learn Python. This is second line. Not sentence, it is line. Okay. Then if I save this program, if I run this program, suddenly you will get an error. Then error. Okay. Then how to represent a multiple line string? That is a way it is showing in your textbook. You can display multiple string, multi-line string in Python in two ways. You can use backslash as well as you can use a triple quote. So here in between here I just write a backslash like this. Now this is a multi-line string. Then now it's become a multi-line string. Then I can easily display this string. Hello, I am going to learn Python. So now it is actually is a multi-line string, right? I write in a multi-line with the use of this backslash. So again, this is the one way to represent a multi-line string. Then second way, you can use triple quotes, double quotes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So again, here 1, 2, 3. Now it's also become a multi-line string. If I run this program, you will now get a error. Hello, I am going to learn Python. Then this is the way to represent a multi-line string in Python. You can use backward slash and you can use triple quotes. So how to represent a single line string means you can use inside the double quotes you can write only single line, not sentence, single line. Then triple quoted multi-line string also count end of line character in the size of the string. whereas the multi-line string with the backslash at the end of the physical line do not count the backslash in the size of the string. So that is another interesting thing. Here, hello is my hello, then Python. This is my triple quotes. Okay, this is my string. Then I am going to find the length of the line. Length of the line. Length of the line means how many characters are in this line. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is A is a string, right? A is a variable contain string. So what is the length of A means is the length of hello Python. So how to display length of the string? You can use the function called len of the variable len of A. This len of A give the length of this string. Then I'm going to save this program. Then I'm going to run this program. Then 17. So it display 17. So how it's become 17? According to my calculation, it is what? It is actually 10. Again. So if you again confused with the now we can check what is the output. Here, this is 13. How is it possible? It is 13. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How 13 coming here? So one new line character is here. One new line character is here. That's why it's come downside. One invisible slash n character is here. That is one invisible slash n character is here. That's why this word come to second line. That's why it's count. The slash n counted as a one character. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Output is 13. That's why it display 13 character. So if you use that's why I say that if you use a double quote, a triple quoted string, triple quoted multi-string, then new line character will be treated as a character. So instead of this, I'm using one backslash only. This is another way to represent multi-line string. That is, with the backslash you can represent a multi-line string. With the triple quotes you can also represent a multi-line string. So here I'm going to again check the length of the string. Then you will get a 12. The triple quoted multi-line string also count end of line. End of line character means slash n character in the size of the string. Whereas in multi-line string with the backslash at the end of the physical line do not count the backslash in the size of the string. Understand? That is, in this situation, it will not count as a character. But if you are using triple quoted string, the end of line should be a slash n character. It is also counted as the length of the string. I think you understand this concept. Then I will explain with another example. Here it is my single line command string. String. So what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Save. Then I'm going to run this program. Then 6. Count 3 plus 3, 6. So here is no problem. 6 is counted. Then I'm going to use a triple quotes string here. 1, 2, 3. Then in next line, Matthew. Then this is my multi-line triple quoted string. Then how many characters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus that slash n character, that is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I run this program, you will get a length of this string should be 13. Now I think you understand. Then instead of this, if I am using a multi-line string with a backslash, it is also possible. Then in this situation, what is the length of this debug Matthew? Length of this variable a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will not treat as a character 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So output will be 12. 12. I think you understand this concept.